California Aeronautical University with Carrie Certuche, and she was the first female graduate of CAU's aircraft mechanic program. Tell us, why did you want to get into this career?
I've been in this career in a way since I was 19 when I joined the United States Navy as an aviation electronics technician. So I was avionics before this, in the Navy, out of the Navy, building helicopters, different roles. And then this was the next step in the career, getting this license and being able to obtain the job in this area that I really wanted to get, which was the Kern County Sheriff's job.
And why did you choose CAU?
CAU, it's local, it's close. I think the nearest other school is an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours away, which isn't feasible, but also they have a good reputation as far as the pilots program, so I had good expectations for the maintenance program as well.
And what advice would you give to another female who wants to sort of follow your lead?
Don't be afraid. Just go into it and know that it's a great career with good perks. You get to travel, you get to experience a lot in life that sometimes other jobs don't give the opportunity for. So it's a lot of rewards and a little sacrifice, of course, but the big rewards.
And talk to us about your job now with the Sheriff's Department.
The Sheriff's Department, I've been there since December of last year. It's great. I love it. I go to work. I'm happy to get up and go to work every day. I work with a really good group of people. I'm treated wonderfully. So I couldn't be happier.
And what's the best part of the job?
The best part of the job is job satisfaction, as far as knowing you help the community. You're doing something that you love to do. It's fun to work on these helicopters, aircraft, and see them flying around and know that you contributed to that. So that's always a good feeling.
Great. So would you recommend CAU to another student?
I would recommend it, especially if you're in this area. It's convenient. They have a good student program for housing if there's out of area students. So, but if you're married with kids, have your own place, that's fine too. It's a great program, and you learn everything you need to learn to get the foundation for the rest of your career.
Carrie, thank you so much for sharing your story with us. What's the best way for people to learn more about how to break into the industry?
If they want to know more about the school, they could go to calaero.edu.
Great. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.